Hello for lesson number 3. First of all, I hope you all realised last time that I said 78 times 60 at the beginning, and of course I actually meant 78 times 6, so I really hope that didn't confuse anybody. Really sorry about that if it did, but I didn't notice until it was too late, so sorry about that. Okay, so let's go now. Today we're going to have a look at a 3-digit by a 1-digit. So we're going to have a look at a number like 234 times 5. I'm trying to make all the digits different just to make it easier. Again, you can have the 1 digit at the top or the 3 digit at the top. It doesn't matter because it's commutative. I am going to put the 1 digit at the top, but that's entirely up to you. I find it easier. And then what I'm going to do, just to make sure I line them up correctly, is to put the 4 directly underneath and then go back in to put the other digits in, because that way I know that I've got them lined up correctly. So here you can see I've got the 5 and the 4 in the ones column. Okay. Oh, I've gone red. Didn't mean to go red. Right, so exactly the same thing as last time. We start with the ones. Start by multiplying the ones first of all. So we're multiplying these digits here. So 5 times 4 is 20. So we put in our 0 and we regroup the 2. Again, you should be able to see this looks like the number 20. If the digits were reversed, it would not look like 20 when you read it left to right. So that's another way of knowing you've got the digits the right way around. Okay, once we've done 5 times 4, we're then going to do 5 times 3. So we're working our way across from left to right. So we're doing these two, then these two, and then we'll do these two. Sorry, not from left to right, from right to left. My apologies. So we're working our way across from right to left. So we're now doing 3 times 5, which is 15. But we've got to add this 2 that we regrouped earlier, which gives us 17. So again, we put in the 7, regroup the 1. And again, if you look, you should be able to see, if you read them in the right order, it actually says 17. So now we're going to be having a go at these ones. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is obviously 10, but we've got to add on our 1 here, which gives us 11. There's no column here to add that regrouped 1 onto, so we create a new column for it there. So the product of 234 and 5 is 1,170. So it's exactly the same when you do a 3-digit as when you do a 2-digit, but you keep working your way across. If you had a 4-digit, so if you had another digit here, you would just work your way across, and you could just keep going and keep going and keep going and create new columns down here when you needed them. You just got to learn your times tables to help you with those. The next one we're going to do will be a 2-digit by a 2-digit, and I know that's the one that a lot of you found difficult, and we didn't do much on it, so that's going to be the next one, so really watch out for that. Maybe do it alongside with me on a piece of paper, and then have a go, and I'll set some of those for you to do. Okay, see you in the next one.